Hello, today we are going to solve October 2023 paper question number 1, part B. Prepare the ledger accounts for the year ended 30th September 2023. Prepare the capital account of Bipul. Okay, Bipul we have to prepare. So let's see, we had already done some adjustments when we were doing in the part 1 where we had prepared profit and loss and other comprehensive income. So now we can prepare the capital account. So let's see what were the balances at the beginning of the year that we don't know, we have to calculate because only the ending balances are given. Capital account is going to appear on the credit side, start the balance on the credit side. So but we know that one thing that had happened was on 1st April 2023, okay, Bipul had increased his capital by 2000. Okay, down was 20,000. Okay, for Bipul. On 1st October 2023, the balance would have been like this. Okay, Bipul had increased his cash by 2000. So that was on 1st April 2023. So let's write that. We can write cash had increased by 2000. Now the total balance on either side have to be the same. 1000 minus 2000, that value is going to be equal to 18,000. Okay, so this value is going to be 18,000. So and this will be as on 1st October 2022. The balance would be like this. Okay, then at the beginning it would have been 18,000, and during the year he had got to 2,000. So his adjusted capital at the ending would have been 20,000. Now the current account of Artem has to be prepared. Current account is a liability account. Okay, so let's see what happens. So we have the ending balances to be 600 and 250. Okay, so the current these are taken as the beginning balance, and after appropriation we adjust to the ending balance. Okay, so first one is 600 for Artem is given, but it is on the debit side. So let's write that. So on 30th September 2023, the balance brought down for Artem for the current account was for Artem it was 600, right? 600. And then okay, we have to adjust everything. Actually it's a liability account, should have started, but it has been on the debit side. Now we can see that okay, we have to add certain things. So what are the things we have to add? Interest on capital, we have to adjust, we have to then it was like profit. Okay, share of profit. So his share of profit and then he had share of profit, and then he will have the salary that needs to be paid. Okay, so the interest on the capital was 1,400. Okay, interest on capital that he got was 1,400 he had to pay. Okay, and then the share of profit was that Artem got was 12,000. and then the salary was 6,000. Okay, the salary that he got was 6,000. Okay, and on this side again we have to start with the salary that he actually got, the salary that's supposed to get, and the salary that he actually got will be entered on this side. Okay, he got exactly 6,000, he received the full salary. Sometimes they might not, then we have to adjust. And then drawings and interest on drawings, we have to adjust here, right? So drawings and interest on drawings. So these two things have to be adjusted. So the drawings that happened was 12,000. It had no salary here, so it is exactly correct. The drawings had to be only for that purpose. And the interest on drawings he got was 720. Okay, so 720. He had to pay 720 to the business. Okay, now let's add up all these values. So we can see that 12,000, okay, 12,000 plus 6,000, 12,000 plus 6,000 plus 1,400. So that value is going to be equal to 19,400. Okay, so 19,400, it is more on this side, on the credit side, so you adjust it here. So the balance brought down on 30th September 2023. Okay, again the balance carried forward after this appropriation of this account. Okay, after adding the profits, it's going to be equal to 19,400 minus 12,000 minus 6,000 minus 720 plus 600. Okay, minus 600, it's going to be equal to 80. Okay, so 19,000 minus 600 minus 6,000 minus 12,000 minus 720 is equal to 80. So this will be the balance that will be brought forward on 1st October 2023. Okay, so that is equal to 80 for the current account of